In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process and ensure that all your meetings are automatically synced with your CRM, making your workflow more efficient and your customer interactions smoother. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Calendly account. Open up your browser and log into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, which shows all your scheduled meetings and event types that you've set up. Now, to kick off the integration process, you'll need to navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll find a section labeled Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking Integrations and Apps, you'll be presented with a range of options. This section is essentially a hub for all the various apps and services that Calendly can connect with. For our purposes, we want to focus on integrating with HubSpot, so look for that option. It might be helpful to use the search bar if you have a lot of integrations displayed. Once you spot the HubSpot option, click on it. This will take you to the HubSpot integration page within Calendly. Here, you'll see a button that prompts you to connect HubSpot. Click on this button to begin the connection process. At this point, if you're not already logged into your HubSpot account, you'll be asked to do so. Make sure to have your login credentials handy. Once logged in, you'll need to grant Calendly permission to access your HubSpot account. These permissions are necessary for Calendly to sync meetings and contacts seamlessly with your HubSpot CRM. So, go ahead and authorize the connection. With that step completed, Calendly and HubSpot are now integrated. From here on out, any new event scheduled through Calendly will automatically create a contact or update an existing one in HubSpot. This seamless integration means you can focus more on engaging with your clients and less on manual data entry. To ensure everything is working perfectly, it might be a good idea to test the integration by scheduling a new event in Calendly. Check your HubSpot account to see if the information has synced correctly. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to integrate Calendly with HubSpot. By following these steps, you can enhance your productivity and keep all your client interactions organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your scheduling and CRM management. Until next time.